Welcome back to the daily grind. It's about 6:30. We're fixing to get the rock out of here. We got made some more progress today. We got these all the way down up to the top now on this side, and was fixing to start working right down through there. We're going boom, 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 couple pieces. I did a little sample piece right down there to see how I was wanting to do my little V, where these join in right there, and amazingly, I think anyway, we'll see. I didn't want to go slicing on these until I tried something out first. So again, I went down there, and I think that my piece coming here and my piece coming here, I think I'm going to be able to row cut it and have it go right together on that. I think it's going to go on a row cut, as a matter of fact. Now, obviously, it's going to be cut on an angle here. I'm just going to double cut it. I'll show you. A lot of people might frown on this, but this is how it was done before, and that's how they said they was wanting to go back. So that is it. Ouch, it kind of hurts, don't it? I know if you're anything like me, it hurts. Yeah. So I got that piece here straight with this one. This piece here straight with that one. That's going to be the join. This is row cut and that's row cut. And that's what I was wanting to check right here. So you can see, I believe that by the time I get these pushed down tight all around here, it's going to go right together, because it's like super close right now. Just a tiny gap at the bottom there. But whenever I push them together, I believe it's going to go. What I'll probably do, since whenever I do this here, I might actually leave an extra row on this one and an extra row on this one. That way, if it does try to pull just a little bit down here, I'll have that extra row there. And if I need to trim it, so be it. But I think I will be good with just leaving it maybe a couple extra rows. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that's going to be my angles. And I was a little surprised when I came down here, because the angles are right on the side of the step, which down here they're not like that. That kind of threw me for a loop when I come down here to practice on that, because over here it's a few inches from that, from the side of it. So I got about 6 inches right there instead of being right against it right there. So let me check that other side and see how it is. It's definitely going to be better than what they had. We'll just say that. And yeah, we'll just say I'm glad to finally have all that done. No missing at the top. Tomorrow, we did a lot of the fronts this morning too. I think we had 5 of the fronts to do over there. So tomorrow, without a doubt, we'll be able to get this finished up and a good chunk of this over here finished up. And then that'll give us a day on the fronts again. Yeah, they sure are the same exact thing over here, right at the side of the step. And that'll give me my 3 days on this, what I was wanting. Well, look at here, even this is at the corner. It's just that one set that is not at the corner. Look at here, they are not even cut down. They didn't do it like that. You can see they didn't go from corner to corner, corner to corner. They went from the corner of the step over to here. I might have to try that before. And they went from corner of the step there to the corner there. I might do that and see if it would be better to get it away from that corner on the overhang right there. We'll check that out It seemed like, no, I didn't want to row cut and go completely lengthways right there. It might, I don't know. I'm going to try it out. I did it right there on the corner before I make my cuts tomorrow. Again, as a matter of fact, I might just do it right now. I might just scoot those over and go at a different angle from maybe 5 or 6 inches from there to there and row cut down. Let me try that. I'm going to do it right now and try it out. Okay, so I got started there and I see now that will not fly, and I'll tell you exactly why. I was wondering why they did what they did. They had triangles in all of these little corners right here, and that's exactly why, because they did that. They scooted it over just like I got there. But when you scoot this piece over far enough to overlap to get your row cut here, then you still got to make this release cut right here. So, that causes a triangle right there. So, I will not be doing that. I will be going right there. Just as I planned on originally. And tomorrow we will get right on that. So, anyway, we are staying all week up here again, so got us a bunch of food and stuff like that this week instead of eating out all the time. I tell you what, the daggone fast food has not been good to me on this job. I will not go. I can't believe I used to eat fast food all the time like that. It's, my goodness, it's rough on me nowadays. I try it. I mean, I ate it for a little bit, and then I was like, man, I was just feeling sluggish. Was not feeling good at all. And just feeling bloated, sluggish, and everything else. I went home over the weekend, eating some home food. And I was like, oh man, this morning when I woke up, I was feeling so much better. I was like, okay, ding, ding, ding. So that is it. No more fast food this week. So I got me a mess of groceries. Shouldn't say a mess of them. I got, sandwich meat and hot dogs and stuff like that. Something to live on there at the hotel, so we ain't spending money on food. Plus, we can feel better without eating all that messy fast food. Anyway, check it out from down here. Oh, I want to show you something too. Up here, in order to, you can see, there's a piece, up and there's another piece, and then up top is another piece. That first one you see is about a foot 3 inches wide. The next one is like 2 foot 3 inches, and the next one's like 3 foot and 3 inches. I had to do that because this was going out and out and out and out. I didn't want to seam here. These are going to be all under the pews, so scooted it over. That way I got my seam down there on the bend instead of here in the steps. So little piece in the center there, and that's the piece that comes from right there. I got all my pieces out of that. And I'll do the same thing anywhere else I need to. I'll do it like that right there. So anyway, it is crunch time. I plan on getting a whole bunch done this week. We got to get this thing, do everything I can to keep my dates. We got 2 weeks minus today, and my grandson's birthday is Saturday. I thought it was Sunday, but it is Saturday indeed. So it pulled me out of working this Saturday because I will not miss his birthday for nothing. I love that little guy more than I love my own life. Will not miss his birthday. But anyway, I just had to double time. Working like a dog, son. Working like a dog. Have to get it done. We gotta do what we gotta do. Anyway, I grabbed my paperwork from up here, and we are going to be outy-bouty And thank you guys for tuning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.